everyone, I'm Rick. In today's video, I'm going to go over how to make baked prosciutto wrapped asparagus, drizzled with fig glaze with balsamic vinegar and sprinkled with Parmesan cheese. I hope that you like the video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one.
To get started, we'll need a few ingredients. So I've pulled out the olive oil, shredded Parmesan cheese, fig glaze with balsamic vinegar, ground black pepper, prosciutto, and 8 spears of asparagus. The first step is to take 2 spears of asparagus facing opposite directions and place them over a slice of prosciutto. Then I'm going to take the prosciutto slice and I'm going to wrap it completely around the asparagus. Once done, I'm going to take the prosciutto wrapped asparagus and place it on top of an aluminum foil covered baking pan. And then I'm going to repeat the process for the remaining asparagus and prosciutto. The next step is to drizzle about a tablespoon of olive oil over the prosciutto wrapped asparagus. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of the ground black pepper over the prosciutto wrapped asparagus. I placed everything in a toaster oven and I'm going to set the baking temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will need to bake for about the next 12 to 15 minutes. After about 5 to 7 minutes, the prosciutto wrapped asparagus should be rotated, and then you can place them back into the oven to finish baking. After about 12 to 15 minutes of total baking time, I'm going to take the prosciutto wrapped asparagus out of the toaster oven. I moved the prosciutto wrapped asparagus onto a plate, and now I'm going to drizzle it with some fig glaze with balsamic vinegar. The last step is to sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese over everything. The baked prosciutto wrapped asparagus, drizzled with fig glaze and balsamic vinegar and sprinkled with Parmesan cheese, is now ready to serve and eat. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching my video.